Wilujeng tepang deui barudak di kelas bahasa Sunda sareng Bu Lola. Dinten ieu urang bakal diajar ngaran-ngaran bagian awak. Cobi perhatoskeun gambar-gambar anu aya dina video. Teras turutkeun pangucapan ngaran-ngaran bagian awak anu dicontohkeun. Oke? In this video, you will see some pictures about our body part. Please listen carefully and follow the pronunciation of the words carefully.
Bagian awak, body part. Soca, soca. Pangambung, pangambung. Celi, celi. Lambe, lambe. Buuk, buuk. Panangan, panangan. Sampean, sampean. Tuur, tuur. Patuangan, patuangan. Ramo, ramo.
How is it, friends? Is it hard? No, no, no. I know you can do it, can't you? Keep on practicing. Say it many, many times again and again. Okay? And next week, when we meet in the Zoom class, I will check you to pronounce it one by one. Alright? So that's all for today, friends. There is no assignment in Google Classroom. I just need you to watch this video and practice to say the words for each our body part carefully and repeatedly. Okay? See you next week. Bye-bye.